Welcome to Charleston New Homes Guide Ride with the Guide. I'm Keely Burd, your local new construction expert. And with Pulte Homes, we're in Point Hope. I'm going to be visiting their Primrose model and going over my top 5 features. I can't wait to go inside and show you guys the level of luxury Pulte is bringing to this neighborhood. Let's get started. So first on my list of fave features for the Primrose is this formal dining area and the Butler's Pantry. Not every model has a formal dining space, and I just think that this is such a luxurious touch. Tons of natural light. Just throughout this whole model, you'll notice that. Always seeing transom windows and things like that. And the Butler's Pantry is such a great addition. If you are an entertainer, love to host, this is a great space for you to walk in, pantry behind this door. And of course, it leads right to that gourmet kitchen, but they're giving you a whole nother sink and they're showcasing the wine fridge and everything. So you can really see what you can do to expand into this space here. Coming in at number 2, of course, the gourmet kitchen. How could we skip this? This is such a standout feature in this house. Of course, this is a natural gas community, so you have the all natural gas stainless steel appliances. Check out this range. And I love the penny tile on the backsplash here, of course, with the pot filler. We've got 42-inch cabinets with the glass uppers. Of course, there's going to be soft close cabinetry in here, tons of storage. And I love this selection. This is the Cambria quartz. So, of course, they have that nice metal apron sink there, and they are showcasing 4 bar stools. So, this is a great area to eat, serve. We love how this kitchen lends itself to the living space, perfect for entertaining. 3 on my list is the upstairs owner suite, conveniently located right by the laundry room. This takes up the entire back of the home, so this is a huge space. Check out how much natural light is just pouring into this floor plan here. So the bathroom, super luxurious. I love that they didn't make you choose. They're showing you this amazing soaking tub plus an awesome shower, tile all the way to the top, nice transom window to go ahead and let some of that natural light in. And this is one of 2 closets. So I think this is another great feature in this space right here. Of course, you have the dual vanity, and there is also a private water closet, of course. And I'll show you this other closet too. So I love how it's super private, even though it's upstairs with the other bedrooms, and it has all the spaces everybody is looking for with that bathroom. And then, of course, these 2 closets. Coming in at number 4 is the finished room over the garage with a full bath, coming in at just over 500 square feet. This is a great addition if you are needing some extra square footage, needing a little extra space, either for guests or maybe you're doing some multi-generational living. Having this opportunity to do this opens up the floor plan so much. And you can see they've, really outfitted it here and show us what they can do with this awesome kitchenette. So, of course, we are going to include this in our top 5 favorite features. Number 5 on my list is the overall functionality and flexibility of the Primrose model. It is showcased right now as a loft. This could be a 4th bedroom with a ensuite bath. Also downstairs where you see the dedicated study right now, that could also be turned into a bedroom with a full bath. Again, not multi-generational, that push for just extra space. So you can get only 3 bedrooms if you need it. If you need 5, you can get it. And I think that the tailoring to individuals' needs is such an awesome thing. This is such a great floor plan as is, and being able to kind of flex it with different spaces is an awesome option. Thanks so much for tuning in to today's Ride with the Guide. I love Point Hope, and I think that the Primrose model here is a great example of what Pulte is doing. There's so much flexibility and functionality in these models. There is 5 current models to choose from, but 2 are coming soon. So with 7 models, there's really something from everybody, ranging from about 2,000 to 4,000 square feet. And there are 3 options with the owner suite on the first floor. On-duty agents are here 7 days a week, so you can make an appointment or pop on in, and they'd love to show you this model and tell you all about what's happening in the community. We will see you on the next Ride with a Guide.